favorite number 7, Just Like It. And thereof, early lead is taken by Manila Style by the Rail is Amazing Act. And Prince Perdy moving up on the outside, Siklad dashing. And Just Like It, Ravishing Rapi is bringing up the rear. And nearing the far turn, it's Amazing Act in the lead, followed by Manila Style. And Prince Perdy on the outside, Siklad, Just Like It. And dashing by the rail. Rounding the far turn, Amazing Act. Moving up once again on the outside is Manila Style, Prince Perdy, Siklad, and Just Like It moving up on the farther outside. And here comes Dashing. And the last bend for home, the lead is taken over now by Manila Style on the outside, Amazing Act by the rail, Siklad in between horses, Dashing moving up, and on the farther outside is Just Like It. And into the home stretch, Manila Style, followed by Dashing on the outside. Manila Style by the rail, Dashing moving up in between horses. And on the outside, it's Just Like It. It's Dashing on the outside, and Manila Style by the rail. It's Dashing on the outside, Manila Style by the rail. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Dashing, the horse of Nardinabal, Manila Style, Just Like It.
Okay, 347 ang ating